we'll guide you through how to create a tutorial on Blender. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender on your desktop. Make sure you're using the latest version for the best features and tools. You'll want to start by setting up your workspace to suit the type of tutorial you want to create. Go to the top right corner and click on the Workspace tab. Select the one that fits your needs, like animation, sculpting, or modeling. Next, think about the topic of your tutorial. Are you focusing on creating a specific model? Or maybe you're demonstrating a technique like UV unwrapping or shading. Choose a clear topic and plan out the steps you want to demonstrate. You can use Blender's screen recording feature to capture your process. Go to the Render menu and select Viewport Render Animation to capture your screen while you work. Make sure your microphone is set up to record your voice so you can provide commentary as you work through your tutorial. You can adjust the audio settings in the Preferences menu under the System tab. As you record, be clear and concise with your instructions. Highlight important shortcuts and explain why you're doing each step. After recording, you can use video editing software to fine-tune your tutorial. Add annotations or text overlays to emphasize key points. If you made any mistakes during recording, you can edit those out to keep your tutorial clean and professional. Once you're satisfied with the video, export it in a format suitable for your audience. If you're uploading to YouTube, MP4 is a great choice. Make sure to add a descriptive title and tags to help viewers find your tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.